Hello medicos, welcome to another video. We were learning about sensory receptors, we had an introductory video, then we learned about types of sensory receptors. Now we talk about the somatosensory. The somatosensory system stands as a silent guardian, constantly informing us about our physical selves and our interactions with the environment. The somatosensory system encompasses a complex network of receptors, nerves, and brain regions that process information related to touch, temperature, pain, and body position, also known as proprioception. It allows us to feel the caress of a gentle breeze, the warmth of the sun on our skin, and the sharp sting of a pinprick. It also enables us to perform intricate movements, maintain our balance, and perceive the position of our limbs in space, even with our eyes closed. Imagine reaching for a cup of coffee in the morning. Your somatosensory system tells you where your hand is in relation to the cup, allowing you to grasp it with the right amount of pressure. It also tells you if the coffee is hot or cold, preventing you from burning your hand. From the simplest reflex to the most complex movements, the somatosensory system plays a vital role in our daily lives. It is the foundation upon which our physical interactions with the world are built. Within the intricate web of the somatosensory system, two major pathways carry sensory information from the periphery to the brain: the dorsal column system and the anterolateral system. The dorsal column system, also known as the posterior column-medial lemniscus pathway, is primarily responsible for transmitting information about fine touch, vibration, and proprioception. This pathway begins with specialized receptors in the skin, muscles, and joints that detect mechanical stimuli. These signals then travel along sensory neurons that enter the spinal cord and ascend towards the brain. In the medulla, the pathway crosses over to the opposite side and continues upwards, eventually reaching the thalamus. The thalamus acts as a relay station, sending the sensory information to the appropriate area of the somatosensory cortex for further processing. The somatosensory cortex is a strip of brain tissue located in the parietal lobe, just behind the motor cortex. It is here that we become consciously aware of touch, pressure, vibration, and limb position. The dorsal column system is essential for our ability to perform fine motor skills, such as writing, buttoning a shirt, or playing a musical instrument. It also plays a crucial role in our sense of body awareness, allowing us to move through the world with grace and coordination. Damage to the dorsal column system can lead to a variety of sensory impairments, including numbness, tingling, and difficulty with balance and coordination.